Welcome back to Mind Revived, your go-to place for self-improvement and personal growth. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept that has the potential to completely change your life: the science of habits. Why do some people effortlessly stick to routines while others struggle? What's the secret sauce to building habits that last a lifetime? You're about to find out. So, stay tuned. What if I told you that everything you've learned about habits is wrong? That the real key isn't in motivation, but something else, something hidden in the way our brain works? Curious? Let's dig deeper. So, what exactly is a habit? A habit is a behavior that becomes automatic over time through repetition. The reason habits are so powerful is that they bypass decision-making and conserve mental energy. Every time you repeat an action, your brain forms a neural pathway. The more you do it, the stronger that pathway becomes until it becomes automatic. Here's the cool part. Our brain doesn't really distinguish between good and bad habits. It's all about repetition. Whether it's hitting the gym every day or checking social media constantly, your brain follows the same process. But how do we actually build habits that stick? It starts with something called the habit loop. This loop consists of three elements: the cue, the routine, and the reward. Cue is the trigger that initiates the habit. The routine is the action itself. The reward is what makes your brain want to repeat the habit again. The trick? Design cues and rewards that work for you. Before we move forward, if you're finding value in this and want to learn more about how to build powerful habits, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any life-changing content from Mind Revived. Your journey to success starts right here. Now, let's talk about building consistency. The key to forming lasting habits isn't doing something perfectly from the start. It's doing it consistently. Start small and build gradually. Think of habits like stacking bricks. Every day you stick to your habit, you're adding another brick to your foundation. Over time, you'll build a solid structure, whether that's your health, your career, or your personal growth. But here's the catch. Most people quit because they expect immediate results. Research shows it takes an average of 66 days to form a new habit. That means you need patience, persistence, and a plan. And this is where systems come in. Instead of focusing solely on goals, focus on the system or routine you set up to get there. Habits are like automation for success. Once they're in place, they work without you even thinking about them. But here's the million-dollar question. Can we break bad habits just as easily as we build good ones? And is there a formula to doing it? Let me give you an example. Take procrastination. Most of us fall into the habit of delaying tasks because it gives us immediate relief from stress. But the reward is short-lived. To break the cycle, we need to change the cue or reward. One effective method is to make bad habits inconvenient. If you tend to procrastinate by checking social media, remove the apps from your phone. Make the bad habit hard to access. At the same time, make the good habit easy. If you want to work out more, put your gym clothes by the door as a cue. Remember, the habits you build today shape the life you live tomorrow. Whether you're working on your health, career, or personal development, consistency is the key. It's not about making giant leaps. It's about small, steady steps that compound over time. If you're ready to take control of your habits and design a life of success, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Mind Revived. Let's build a community of growth together. See you in the next one.